The financial decisions you make today can have an extraordinary impact on your financial future. Deceptively small daily or monthly decisions can make a huge difference in your goal to reach financial independence. The challenge is to balance enjoying your life today while still taking the typically small steps necessary to prepare for tomorrow. Putting together a financial plan and following it is one of the best ways to reach your goals, but it can be overwhelming, possibly to the point of being paralyzing. So in this video series, we've attempted to break it down by which decade of life applies to you now. That way you can focus on what is typically the most important aspect of your financial plan during your current phase of life. We will cover 4 areas of planning with each decade: earning, spending, investing, and insuring. Today's video focuses on the 20s. Now is the time to take your career decisions very seriously. Take the time to talk to experts in your field of interest. Make sure to develop the skills and education that will allow you to progress up the corporate ladder and toward increases in salary. When you get that first job in your field, you're going to be excited to get to work. However, try to take extra time to pay attention to your benefit package for any retirement benefits your company may offer. Start planning for retirement from the start, even if it's a tiny amount, especially if you can take advantage of the free money offered by a company match, if available. What's most important is to be actively planning for your retirement from the very beginning. Have the goal of saving around 10% of your income to build up your emergency reserves and begin investing for your future. You should prioritize paying off any student loans, but don't be so aggressive that you neglect saving for your future. You will likely be making more money than you ever have in your life. Resist the temptation to buy the new car or rent the fancy apartment. Remember the 10% rule. Set up a budget. There are many apps and software programs that can automatically track your spending and help you categorize it. Analyze those reports, and you may be shocked just how much you're spending on frivolous items. Do whatever you can to avoid bad debt, such as credit card debt. Teach yourself to wait until you have enough money saved up to make the big purchases. The goal for your emergency reserve should be 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting in the bank, FDIC insured, and available at a moment's notice. Be sure to use this money only for true emergencies, such as unexpected large car repairs or medical bills. Having sufficient emergency reserves will go a long way toward avoiding any credit card debt problems in the future. Once your emergency reserves are established, you can start increasing your retirement plan savings. A fun way to remind yourself to do this is to increase your 401k deferrals by an extra % or 2 every year on your birthday, or every new year, or every time you get a raise. Increasing by small increments will make it so you hardly notice your slightly smaller paycheck, but it'll make a huge difference in your retirement assets in the decades to come. If your company offers a 401k with a match, try to contribute enough to get all the free money you can. Do not consider going without health insurance. Though you're typically very healthy in your 20s, accidents and sickness can still happen that could cause a lifetime of financial ruin. Also, strongly consider disability insurance. It will replace some of your income if you are not able to work for medical reasons and may help avoid financial ruin that a long-term disability could cause. If your employer offers coverage, great, take advantage of it. If not, consider buying your own policy. If you have valuable possessions in your home, consider a renter's insurance policy to protect them in case of fire or theft. Auto insurance is required by law, but typically you're going to need to increase your coverage above what the law requires. Good luck in your financial plans. As always, Hessen & Haslam is here to help with any questions you may have about putting your plan together. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our YouTube channel.